Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Rigetti Computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 17th of March, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 14th of March, 2025, our system has ranked Rigetti Computing as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.33. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.53% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This results in an average loss of 0.27% per day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a significantly broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that a further decrease is likely within this trend. The present 3-month trend points to a possible decrease of 24.99% over the upcoming 3 months, with a potential return ranging between negative 85.25% and 4.90%. Turning to a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of 109.59%. According to our assessments, the stock's performance might vary from negative 6.95% to 318.69% over the next year. In practical terms, this would translate to a future price anticipated to fall between $10.38 and $46.73. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for Rigetti Computing, Incorporated as Stock Downgraded to Hold Accumulate. The Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock price decreased by approximately 0.535% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 17th of March, 2025, dropping from $11.22 to $11.16. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 7.04%, ranging from a low of $10.65 to a high of $11.40. Notably, the price has increased on 7 out of the last 10 days and is up by nearly 44.94% over the past 2 weeks. In contrast, trading volume fell on the last day alongside the stock, which is generally considered a positive indicator, as volume should typically move in tandem with stock price. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 33 million shares, with a total of 91 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $1,020 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $21.42, while the lowest was 66 cents. Currently, the price stands at 47.9%, or $10.26, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing, trading under the symbol RGTI, is currently at the forefront of the quantum computing sector, a space that has seen renewed investor interest following recent market rebounds. On the 17th of March, 2025, RGTI shares appreciated amid broader tech gains, highlighted by anticipation ahead of NVIDIA's annual conference, prompting a surge in both quantum computing and artificial intelligence stocks. Despite a recent decline of 33% in RGTI's stock value, the company's substantial partnership with Quanta, valued at over $200 million, is set to accelerate quantum commercialization over the next 5 years, enhancing research and development and securing government contracts. However, RGTI's financial metrics reveal challenges, with fourth-quarter revenue plummeting 32% year-over-year and a net loss of $153 million, raising concerns about its long-term financial trajectory. The stock remains under pressure from sluggish revenue growth and a high annual burn rate. In the short term, heightened interest in technology and quantum computing could drive RGTI's stock price up as traders speculate on its recovery potential. Longer-term performance will heavily rely on Rigetti's ability to demonstrate quantum advantage and achieve substantial revenue growth, especially after recent liquidity improvements and cash injections. Investors will need to remain cautious given the company's ongoing financial struggles and competitive landscape, particularly as the quantum computing field evolves and broader economic uncertainties persist. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January 2025, it was reported that B. Riley also assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December 2024, it was reported that Craig Hallam granted RGTI a buy grade with an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, it was reported that Needham gave RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy grade with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing, Incorporated, has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, as the long-term average is above the short-term average. In the event of a downward correction, there will be support around the levels of $9.34 and $10.74. A drop below either of these support levels will trigger sell signals. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, January 21, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 20.17%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. During the last trading day, the volume decreased along with the price, which helps to mitigate overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, indicating a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 39 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 103 days ago. Short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 25 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 103 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 96 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $10.94. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock is subject to significant daily fluctuations, indicating high volatility, and with a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 75 cents between its highest and lowest points, representing a movement of 7.04%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 13.44%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to uncontrollable factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -5 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $11.24. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing faces its first support level at 1094. Should this support level remain intact, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let's examine some of the recent insider trades. On March 14, 2025, Rivas David executed an insider sale of 275,000 shares of common stock. On March 11, 2025, McCarthy Cathy L. conducted an insider sale of 150,000 shares of common stock. On March 10, 2025, Bertelsen Jeffrey A. performed an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On March 10, 2025, Rivas David also executed an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On March 11, 2025, Rivas David conducted another insider sale of 351,785 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 7.446. In total, insiders purchased 8,244,014 shares and sold 5,229,290 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.51, reflecting a decline of 5.78%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which contributes to a significant level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 38 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Rigetti Computing Inc. presents several positive signals. However, we believe these are not sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning investors may want to hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical landscape, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate position since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 18th of March, we anticipate Rigetti Computing to open lower by 9 cents, beginning at $11.07. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.